Breaking away from the shackles of conventional way of interaction and conveying messages, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had implemented the concept minimum government, maximum governance via Twitter. Not only Prime Minister Modi himself had taken to Twitter but has been inspiring his ministers to take to Twitter. The NDA government led by Narendra Modi handle @NarendraModi came into power in May 2014, and during these 2 years, Modi's following on Twitter has escalated to 400%, from 4 million to 20 million followers. Rahil Khurshid, head of News, Government and Politics Partnership Twitter India, has written that Modi's tweets has made him the most followed political leader in India and second in world after Barack Obama, whose handle is @Barack Obama. PM Modi has used Twitter extensively to make public announcements from flagship government campaigns and to address citizens and their needs throughout the country. All the 7 flagship programs such as #MakeInIndia, #ManKiBaat, #Swachh Bharat, #SelfieWithDaughter, #MyCleanIndia and #TransformingIndia. However, Prime Minister Modi's most retweeted tweet remains his victory tweet when he won the Lok Sabha election in 2014. Let's take a glance at some of the memorable tweets. News Street Desk.